Hello everyone, this is Abhijit Misra and welcome to this new video. If you're first time watching the video in this channel, then please check it out my original channel or other channel, that is Abhijit Misra, where I have recorded a lot of videos relating to stock market, crypto, real estate, many other business opportunities and also startup and many other videos. Please check it out my old channel or the other channel. So in this video I'll be discussing about the different tabs that are available in the Excel sheet and also what is quick access toolbar. So if you see here, there is a home tab, there is an insert tab, there is a paste layout tab, there is a formula tab. So inside that formula tab there are different symbols are available, which basically provides you different functions inside the Excel. Example, if you come to the home tab, you can see here there is a cut option, there is a copy option. Take the example, you want to copy one data from one sheet to other sheet. In such a case you can use this function and you can paste the function also. Same manner, if you want to copy the format of the particular page, in such a case also you can use this function called format painter. Same manner, different styles of what I can say, what different change the font, different fonts are available. Same manner, font size are also available. The many major functions that are available in the home tab. Same if you come to the insert tab. In the insert tab there is a pivot table. So insert tab is basically if you want to insert some chart, if you want to insert some shape, if you want to insert or create a pivot table, in such a case you can use this insert tab. So if you come to the page layout is basically used for whenever you want to print some data from the Excel sheet. In such a case you can give the margin, you can select the print area and you can break the page into one page into two pages so that you can easily print and easily do your activity. Same manner if you see the formula tab. So in the formula tab basically different formulas, take the example addition, subtraction and many other formulas that are available in the Excel sheet that you can use. If you come to the data tab is basically used for data management purpose, and if you have a lot of data and you want to manage the data, in such a case you can use this data tab. And if you come to the review is basically if you have created something in the Excel sheet and that you want to review, in such a case you can use this tab to review. Take the example, I have written some word in Excel, I want to spell check, मतलब मेरे को देखना है कि whether the actual spelling is correct or wrong. In such a case you can use this function called spell check and accordingly you can do. Same manner if you come here in view also, this tab is basically used to view the data in a different manner. Take the example, page layout, place break and zoom to selection. So there are many other options. Same manner, freeze option is also available that you can do. So that is all about the what you can say tab that is available in the Excel sheet and different functions that are available inside the tab. You do one thing, you can just open your Excel sheet and go to the tab, and inside the tab you just see what are the functions that are available and whether it is useful for you or not. The second thing what we are going to discuss in this videos is basically what is quick access toolbar. So quick access toolbar is basically a function that is available inside the Excel where you can bring the quick access or where you can bring that function here so that you can easily access or you can quickly access. Take the example, in my day-to-day activities normally what I do actually, I use the pivot table a lot. And I don't want to every time go to the insert tab and then have to select the pivot table. Instead of doing that, on what I can do, I can just go to the pivot table, I can right click. So once you right click, then here you can see add to quick access toolbar. Just if I select on that, automatically you can see here one symbol is coming, that is nothing, that is basically the insert pivot table. So next time what I'll do, actually take the example, I want to create a pivot for this data. So instead of going to the insert tab, selecting the pivot table, I can do one thing. Directly I can come here and directly I can select. If you see here, by clicking on that quick access toolbar, automatically I am able to create a pivot table. So that is all about quick access toolbar. And so take the example, you are using some quick access toolbar and you want to remove that quick access toolbar. So what you have to do actually, you have to come to the quick access toolbar, just right click, and there is a remove from the quick access toolbar option is there. Just click on that. So once you're clicking on that, you can see here there is no quick access toolbar is available, and that whatever you have created, that quick access toolbar that is for pivot table, that you have deleted or that you have removed. So that is all about for this videos. So this video, what we understand about the tab, and inside the tab what are the functions that are available, and also what is the quick access toolbar. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.